Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. So by default, to call voice assistant we should use the left earbud. In the back side, right here at the top, we have touch area, and you need to press 3 times at this touch area to call voice assistant. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, I just called Google Assistant. If you set up Gemini, not Google Assistant, you will call Gemini. And also we can add this feature to another gesture. And to do this, we need to open QCY application. And if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu. Now you need to go to the settings at the top, and right here we have all gestures. So as you can see, by default it uses triple press for the left earbud, but you can add it for the single press for the left or right earbud, for the double press, or also you can add it for the right earbud for the triple press. But let's say I wanna add it only for the single press for the right earbud. So I click on it, and right here we have voice assistant. Now let's check it. So right here I add the same. At the back side, right here at the top, we have touch area. You need to press 1 time, and as you can see, Google Assistant is awake, so it also works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!